So guys, we're here at the city. To look around the places, and Sian is there playing. The reason why we are here is to go to the market, and we just pass by here. We passes here before going to market. So I will let Sian play for a while, then later we will go to the market. So it's a municipal park. Closer, looking to Sian. We were home now, and this is what we got. So sweet potato, and then dried fish. So it's 20 pesos per pack, and then daing, 20 pesos per pack also. 3 for 50 pesos. So I got 3 each, and I'm gonna bring some to Nanay when I get home. Then I got some ingredients for my mango graham ice candy, because I'm gonna sell it like on my ice, like I made last night. And then some of my stocks here at home. So that's for now, and I'm gonna fix it and cook something for our dinner. So guys, here's now my mango graham ice candy, and it's cool enough to put it in a plastic bag. I'm actually tired and sleepy, but I need to finish packing all of this in a plastic, so I can start selling tomorrow once it's already cooked on the fridge. So I have to pack all of this now. like it will rain. The sun is keep shining and hiding. There are some parts of the clouds that are cloudy, and then to check on my ice candy. There are some that already cooked, so I can sell them. And I put a poster outside that I am selling an ice and ice candy. So this is my poster. And then my next thing to do is to put a steak on the side, because last week Ginaline, Ate Rhea, and Belle was helping me to fix my front yard. And when I got here, the kids are playing, and the stones on the sides are spreading. Those gravel, we actually put the gravel there, and we got those gravel on the phase 4 construction area. There's a small farm there that we used to come and get some gravel and hollow blocks that we can use for our front yard. And later Sian and me will going to the small farm, so Sian can able to visit it and see the area. And by now I have a stick, so I got this stick from Tatay. So when I travel, I carried all those sticks together with the organizer rack of my burner stove. And then Sian is on the side watching on his phone. And then I'm gonna start to work on my front yard now, because the sun turning on the other side, and it's not that much. Meron pa nga to. Sabi ko pag ano na lang. Pagbalik.
Wala pa masyadong matigas eh.
Pwede niya. Pili ka na lang dun, Deli. Sa aming harap yata matigas. Sa ilalim.
Ito. Wala pa masyadong matigas eh.
Anong oras ko na yan natapos sa...
Ilan ba to?
Ulam ka kami. Mamaya ka lang. Ha?
Mamaya ka na lang. Bibili ako is candy gamit to.
Baliw ka.
Sa bulso ko to ah. Pwedeng kumuha na ito. Akin lang to sa akin. Kumikita ang kabuhayan! Mamaya dito sa taas ng inumin ah. Si Mark, tahimik lang. Ay, ko na swing dito sa duyan.